I'll adjourn your pretrial in this matter to September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. Alleged BAC in this matter.
0.122, Your Honor.
Any crash?
No, Your Honor.
It doesn't have a prior. All right. I will order, I'll set his bond at a $15,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assault behavior or any possession of any weapons. You're not to possess or consume alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. I will order that he report over to the Department of Community Corrections for placement on a sober link testing device.
The judge's tone sharpens, a signal that the day's patience is wearing thin. The courtroom's rhythm feels tense, every pause charged with judgment.
Right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Shannon Keithling.
Alexander, on behalf of the people. Raymond for trial.
Another one. Okay. Come on up. You Miss Keithling?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, come on up here.
I don't hear very well.
Are you? Okay.
I have my hearing aids in. If you could just speak up a little. Where?
You want me to yell?
No, you don't have
No,
to.
I'll yell at you. Come on. I don't have a problem with that.
I have them in. I just still can't hear 100%.
It's
No,
okay.
You're good. Okay.
Will this help you?
I can't.
You can't use.
Yeah.
Give that a shot. Let's see. Does that help?
No, it's just fine without it. You're
sure?
Good. Yeah.
I just got to yell at you.
No, you don't.
No, it's okay. I'll do it. Were all those people in the back row with you? Were they?
I have a very supportive family. Oh my gosh, our families.
I know. I saw you sitting
tight.
back there.
We're all really tight.
Yeah, I could see that. And I kept thinking, okay, who's the one that did something? Allegedly. I'll tell you, I didn't think it was you. I thought it was that guy on the end over here. He just looked a little sneaky. All right. Anyway.
I'm shaky. Look at me.
Are you nervous?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because I just have bad anxiety.
Am I scaring you?
No, it's not you. I'll be okay.
Really? I want to be scary.
I will be okay.
All right.
Thank you, though.
Okay. All right, ma'am.
Yes.
You are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about July 3rd, 2024, at the location of Glencoe Hills Drive near Washtenaw, okay, in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, that you did operate a motor vehicle while intoxicated.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you understand that charge?
Yes, sir.
All right. There is also a second offense notice on this case, meaning that there's a prior offense that would make this a misdemeanor punishable by a $200 to $1,000 fine plus court costs, 5 days to 1 year in jail. The court could order community service or any rehabilitative services the court deems necessary. The court could order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Here comes the moment of truth. Credit days, restitution, and what everyone in the room secretly wants to know, will he walk free or stay behind bars?
So the first question I have for you, ma'am, is, do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, sir.
All right. It's a public defender case, not Nick.
We have a special visitor today, Your Honor.
Why? Why is he here?
I asked him to speak with Ms. Kiesling before her arraignment so we could get a little bit more information from her.
Oh, so it's your fault.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he was gracious enough to agree. I added more work on his plate, but
I'm glad I didn't have anything to say to that. Come on up, Nick.
Assistant Public Defendant Nicholas Bukovitz on behalf of Ms. Keesley.
All right, Your Honor, not, would we be able to briefly approach?
Fine. Come on.
Right here, okay?
What was the alleged VAC in this case?
In this case, Your Honor, was a .168, and it was a two-car crash. And the prior is from 2023.
Pardon?
The prior is from 2023, Your Honor.
And I was informed that there's actually another one coming up, another drunk driving coming up.
Correct.
Which I did speak to my client about, Your Honor.
Pardon?
I did speak to my client about that, Your Honor.
Okay, where is that one? Where is that alleged to have occurred? Is it gonna come before me or, because it's not gonna,
It should be coming to Your Honor. It's from Pittsfield.
it's from Pittsfield? Okay. All right. Counsel, you waive formal reading, stand mute.
Yes, I will waive formal reading and stand mute and address bond when appropriate, Your Honor.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, the court will enter not guilty plea. Yes, that's the bond.
As to bond, Your Honor, I'll be requesting a personal reconnaissance bond. After speaking to my client, she has indicated she has regularly attended AA meetings as it relates to her sobriety, and she has attended, since after these alleged offense dates, she has attended outpatient and inpatient treatment. As noted by Your Honor, she does have a very great support system in the back of the courtroom, including she will always be residing with either her mother or her sister. Her sister is here today in court, has informed me that she does have very strict rules when my client resides with her, including no drinking, no smoking, ensuring that she has a very safe environment that ensures that she will not have any further issue with any substances. She has been able to provide my office with updated contact information, so we'll be able to remain in contact with her throughout the case. She will comply with any court orders as it relates to any testing requirements or any device such as the sober link or the scram tether. She does not drive anymore, and she does have reliable transportation through her sister for all future court dates, so she will come back. So I'll be requesting a personal reconnaissance bond.
I'll set her bond at a $25,000 personal recognizance bond. I will indicate all order standard conditions, including no assault or behavior, or possession of any weapons, no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. Was there something that people wanted to say?
Sure. At this time, I would just be requesting a scram tether.
That,
Okay.
given the prior, given this, and given that there's one in the pipe, the court will order that the defendant report over to community corrections for placement on a scram tether. Okay. And pretrial in this will be adjourned to September 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. ma'am.
Have a nice day.
I'll do the same. You might want to stop over there on our way out.
Nothing to say. Those words hit harder than a confession. Silence often speaks louder than guilt in rooms like this.
Nick, you might want to make sure she stops at community corrections on her way
I
out.
was going to talk to you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case People versus Lindsay Kohler.
Alice, and on behalf of people, Your Honor. Is it not right that you're telling, Your Honor?
Lindsay Kohler? Not here. I'll issue an order to show cause. Court does call the case People versus Benjamin Kritzer. Your name?
Benjamin Kritzer.
All right, sir, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about January 3rd, 2025, location of 2261 Glencoe Hills, apartment 12 in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, state of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of malicious destruction of a building, $200 or more, but less than $1,000. Do you understand the nature of that charge, sir?
I understand.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property destroyed or otherwise injured. If that's greater than $2,000, that becomes the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. First question I have for you, sir, is do you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is a public defender case.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pay, on behalf of Mr. Kritzer, we would waive any further reading. My client stands mute. We would ask that a not guilty plea be entered, and we would ask for an adjourned pretrial date as well as a PR bond, please.
Been unable to waive formal reading. Standing mute, court will enter a not guilty. Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned to September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. As to bond in this case, did the people have anything they wish to say?
Yes, Your Honor, as to bond, if we could add no contact with the victim, Joseph Alexi.
Hold on.
Got it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Set as bond at a $25,000 personal or cognizant bond. All other standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. Should be no use of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. You understand all of that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm also going to order that there be no contact with Joseph Alexi Ruff. You understand that, sir?
I understand, Your Honor.
Justin Lang.
Okay.
Yeah, we are requesting adjournment. We do have a resolution, but as part of that resolution, restitution is going to be paid up front. The people are just working on getting an amount from the complainant.
Got it. I'll adjourn it to September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. All right. Thank you. Court does call the case People versus Trindis Martin.
This is a show cause for the behavior for arraignment.
Trindis Martin. No response. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of $5,000. Give it 10% on that. That warrant will issue immediately. You have, yes. Court recalls case People versus John Funch.
Yeah. Yeah. It's scary. His job is like go and set up. Then I thought I was being on Christine's terrified. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry. It's not really. You're terrified. I'm like, am I terrified? You're not looking at your body. Like, am I?
When the defense requests an adjournment, it's never just about time. It's strategy. Delay can mean survival in a courtroom chess match.
That's what he did. Traffic. Civil. A little bit of civil.
Never somehow.
Oh.
It's my girl.
Just had a trial out. Grand Rapids. Judge.
Maybe something for going.
Never been out there.
I had them out in the morning.
I have not. I don't recall him. I've been out there.
Good judge.
Oh, okay. Was it a jury?
Jury trial.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah. So when you file an aggravated assault, like the PPO.
All right, 48-1 back in session, the honorable David Judge presiding.
Bless you. Court does call the case, People versus Charles Peters.
Ready, Your Honor. Good afternoon, James Bifelsky appearing on behalf of Charles Peters, who's to my right. Please state your name, sir.
Charles Arthur Peters.
Your Honor, we waive formal reading of the complaint and stand mute and ask the court to set this for further pretrial for review of discovery and conversation with the prosecuting attorney, if possible, on the 17th.
The people, defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter not guilty plea.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned, and you don't get to pick your date. I'll give you the 17th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yeah. Alleged BAC in this matter. Say again.
0.15 for your honor.
Crash.
No.
Okay.
And just for purposes of bond, my client has attended about 7 or 8 AA meetings over the last, 9 meetings over the last several months. So he is continuing to gain insight into the dangers of alcohol and drunk driving, but ask for a personal recognizance bond.
Court will set the defendant's bond at a $20,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be no use of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. I am going to order through community corrections the defendant be placed on a sober link tether. And I've signed that order.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Adam Martinez.
And is on behalf of the people?
It's in the rain.
Yes, it is.
Sorry. Your name, sir?
Adam Martinez.
Sir, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about January 31st, 2024, at the location of Carpenter Road near Ellsworth in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did operate a motor vehicle while intoxicated. Do you understand the nature of that charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. There's a second offense notice that makes this a misdemeanor punishable by a fine between $200 to $1,000 plus court costs, 5 days to 1 year in jail. Court could order community service, any rehabilitative programs the court deems necessary. Court could also order your vehicle immobilized, could order you to pay the cost of the prosecution as well as the cost of any emergency governmental services. You understand that, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. First question I have for you, sir, is do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
Yes, please.
It's a public defender case.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of the defendant. We waive formal reading and stand mute to the charges.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. You're requesting an adjournment of the pretrial.
I am.
Pretrial in this matter will be adjourned to September 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. Alleged BAC.
.210, Your Honor, and there was a crash.
And the crash. Okay. Set the defendant's bond at a $20,000 personal or cognizance bond below the standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There is to be absolutely no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. You understand that, sir?
Yes.
I will order that you report over to the Department of Community Corrections, placement on a scram tether unit. You need to report over there today, sir. All right? Anything further?
Nothing, Your Honor. Thank you.
Court call States People versus Ronald Matthews.
Is that how we have?
During the retrial.
I'm doing okay. Mr. Matthews?
Yes, sir.
Okay, there you are. All right. Sir, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges, or a citation that alleges that on or about,